If you are worried about your salary, should your company retrench you or lay you off, then you need to stick around till the end of this video, because your rural girl will be taking you through steps on how to start and launch a business that's going to be bringing you profit without you having to leave your 9-to-5 job and be still collecting that paycheck. Company retrenchments and layoffs are real, so is your financial success. So instead of you being worried about, what will happen? Should I lose my job? Should I lose my salary? Should I lose? How about you channel that energy into starting a small business that will be bringing you profit and act as a safety net to secure your income. These are the very same steps that I personally used before quitting my 9-to-5 job in 2011. If it worked for me then and it is still working for me now, I'm pretty sure it will work for you too, because why would it not? Why would it not village? Let us jump into step number 1, which is replacing your passion with what you understand the most. Guys, yes, you need to replace your passion with what you understand the most. By identifying what is it that you've been doing for years that you are understanding way better than your passion. This something needs to have a better chances of bringing you better cash flow than your passion. In my case, what I understood the most was telecommunications, because I worked for telecommunications companies for many years. So what you need to do, you need to check with what is it that you've been doing for many years, and that you know for sure that if you give it your all, you will definitely see success at the end. Once you've identified that something, you don't have to figure everything on your own. You need to find somebody who is doing and who is actually seeing success in what you want to do for guidance. Now that you understand a bit about your ins and outs of your idea, you need to register a business. It is not complicated. You can either do it via the website portal, or you can actually do it with your bank. You can just go to your bank and then they'll sort you out. They will come out with your business registered. You don't have to pay somebody huge amounts of money. You can do it yourself. It is very simple and affordable if done that way. As exciting as it is to have your business registered, now it is time to look for clients through word of mouth, because we don't have a budget as yet, right? Cool. So what does that even mean? It means that you mention and you talk about your business to each and everybody that you happen to talk to. You tell them about your business and what it does, the services and the products that you offer. And it doesn't end there. You need to be sending emails to your potential clients, asking them to consider working with you. If it means that walking to your potential client to ask for business, you do just that. Remember, I did not say it was going to be easy, but what I'm saying is it is worth it. When it gets tough, you need to imagine yourself having a business that will be giving you the life that you've been dreaming about. And not only that, you will also be still collecting your salary from your 9-to-5 job. Great. Now that you've been conversing through a word of mouth, email marketing, and whatever ways that you were also trying out, but these ones I know for sure that they will help you. You then land yourself the first or the second client. You need to be doing a very good job with these clients, and then ask them to recommend you to other business owners, maybe their friends, their business partners, or anybody that they know that does business that you can actually assist them with your service or your products for your business to grow. Great. Now that you've got recommendations, you need to focus more on growing your business by speaking to more clients to recommend you, by speaking to more people about your business, your offers, your products, your services, whatever that your business does, and by speaking to more potential clients to consider giving your business. And the most important part in growing your business is to reinvest most of your profit back into the business for marketing, advertising, and even acquiring more skills in managing and growing your own business. Once you have the skills and you've been practicing them, you are now finally seeing success in the growth of your business by having a steady income of your business. You need to look into how to scale your business, how to grow your business even more, and to reach even more clients, to use your products and services. In this step, it is very important for you to have somebody coaching you or mentoring you on how to take your business to the next level, so that you do not sabotage yourself. Because what now happens, you're seeing this money coming into the business, you end up spending on things that you are not supposed to be spending on. This person will guide you, they will direct you on what to do and what not to do, what to spend on and what not to spend on, so that you see success of your business and eventually having a life free of stress from worrying about your salary. As we wrap things up, It is very important for you to always remember that starting a business while you're working at your 9-to-5 job, it is very doable. So do not overthink this. Just follow these steps and you'll not only secure your salary, but you'll also build the business that will be bringing you profit while you finally follow your passion. Now your passion, at last, it is now back. Now that you've got 2 sources of income, you can then now follow your passion with pleasure. If you found value in this video, please do not forget to share, like, and subscribe for more videos or for more content. And if again you would like to create another source of income so you can get off debt review, you can pay off your debt and eventually improve your credit score, please check out this video and the links on the description box for more resources and guides on helping you to do just that. Now that you know the basics, please work on turning that idea into a profitable business. And remember, you don't have to have everything figured out before you can actually start. You just need to start and everything will fall into place as you progress. Stay tuned for more videos like this one. Until then, goodbye.